Nowadays, more and more people need to wear glasses. Eyesight problems are increasing all over the world and are affecting people from all nations, genders and ages. A big concern is that people from the third world countries don't have enough access to eye care professionals and cannot be examined on a regular basis. Our goal is to come up with a way to provide people with the healthcare they need. Most people in these third world countries can't afford to buy the glasses they need. That's why our NGO decided to find a product that can solve these kinds of problems. Such a product can be the liquid glasses, but in order to make them affordable to everyone, we need to help the NGO to find funding, so the price of the glasses can be as low as possible. Fundraising for a product can be difficult, but if you know how to do it right, it can be a piece of cake. To make this more clear to you, we've chosen to present a specific product, the liquid glasses. This method, of course, can be used for other products with the same characteristics, from products that are under development to health-improving products of which the price needs to be lowered. Before we tried to find the funds for the product, we decided we first needed to do lots of research about what type of product it is, what it needs in order to be liked by funders, and how we can make it stand out from the other products waiting for funding. First of all, you need to find the fundraising website that best suits the product's characteristics and the cause you are supporting. These websites are very useful because they can easily reach large target groups, which will provide you with more promoters and funders. The internet is the best place for easily spreading your ideas worldwide in a very short time. This will then help you find more sponsors for your products and projects. The product we chose is the liquid glasses. For this particular product and all other products that have similar characteristics, we decided that the best fundraising website is www.indiegogo.com. This is a free website which gives a great platform for products that need funding. Regular people, not large companies, power it, which can make the product story more personal and creates an emotional attachment to it. This way, by interacting with different individuals, you can easily inform them on the product or project by telling them how it works, why you need to find funding for it, why it can be of benefit for your NGO, and how it can be useful for the world. Indiegogo is an easy website to use. You first create an account and then you share your idea, project or product with its story. It is important to tell it in a way that emotionally touches the possible funders or sponsors. A good way to do this is telling the desired situation, the current situation, and what you need in order to achieve your goals. Let's take the liquid glasses for example. These liquid glasses are do-it-yourself glasses, which are easily adjustable for all eyes, genders and ages. It doesn't even matter if you're far-sighted or short-sighted. They are adjustable for every prescription. Imagine a world where all people can have glasses that are cheap enough so they can live a normal and healthy life. These glasses will definitely give the ability for everyone to improve their situation, whether this is in their education, economic situation, or their general well-being. Since scientists predict that in the future more and more people will need glasses, we think that they are a very good product to find funding for. This situation will result in lots of people in third world countries that need glasses but cannot afford them. Right now, there are not even enough eye care professionals to serve the needs of all the people in the third world countries, which makes it even harder for people to get a pair of glasses. In order to reach our desired situations, we need to get these liquid glasses funded. In particular, we need funding so we can make the glasses cheaper for production, so people can afford to buy them. The glasses need to reach €1 per pair by the year 2020. With our fundraising website chosen and our story written down, now the only thing you still have to do is spread the ideas of your project around the world. This way, you have a bigger chance to attract more potential funders that are not only separate individuals but big companies as well. The easiest way to do this is of course through the internet, because nowadays this is the fastest and easiest way to spread a word for a cause, project, or product you are offering to the world. Most of the fundraising websites give you the possibility to share your ideas in online communities, platforms, networks, and groups, such as Facebook, Twitter, and so on. But you can also think of new ways to share. You can also choose not only to use the internet for spreading the word, but also use more sections of interactive media, such as newspapers, television, and radio, by buying commercials so that people get informed about your cause. Another thing that might help with spreading the word would be by making your funders like the product so much that you can propose that they can also start promoting it by themselves, by, for example, asking them to share it on their own online communities, networks, and platforms. One tool you can use for this to happen is making the project's story more realistic. You need to present your plans for the product after it gets funded. In order for this network effect to happen and to work out, a good idea for the NGO to do would be to use lots of researching before releasing the product by asking ordinary people on the web what would impress them and make them fund a particular product, and what would make other people like the idea and share it. If you choose to use Indiegogo as a fundraising website, you are going to be able to reach a big network of people with similar ideas, visions, and purposes. The structure of the type of online network that you will be able to create would be very simple. The people interested in your projects, products, and causes will be sharing your visions and ideas between each other, spreading the word all over the web. This will give you the opportunity to use and maintain this kind of network by keeping people posted on the progress of your project and also on your new projects, causes, or ideas. You should personally contact every single participant or potential funder in this new built online network by giving them the opportunity to subscribe to a weekly or monthly report on your progress by receiving emails or personal messages. You should keep these notifications going until the project is finished, but also you should keep your funders posted on the further development of projects and whether they work accurately. You basically need to let your participants know that you are being active after the project funding process is over. Our final advice for the NGO is to look into design competitions and make them part of this new built online network. This way, new designers are given a platform from where they can make their work popular, and also by thinking of a design competition that actually involves its projects, causes, and ideas, the NGO can benefit from these new designs by choosing the best one, finding funding for it, and making it a reality.